Hello friend, in this tutorial we are going to discuss about self join. Okay, let's see. SELF join. So self join allow us to compare the rows within the same table. So we are not joining the multiple table, we are comparing the values within the same table or comparing the rows within the same table. Okay, let's see. The syntax is select column name that we want, column name from table name P1, inner join same table with different alias T2 on T1 is the alias for same table and the column dot second alias of same table dot column. Let's see how's it work. Interesting, no? Select, suppose let's select our left and right product example. So select star from left product. So we have this record, 4 record. So let's use a left, let's do this for, let's do self join for this. So left product, suppose table 1 as alias to this, and inner join product left product alias is to T2 here. Suppose on both table has id data type, we know that. So t1 dot id equal to t2 dot id. That's it. Now let's run the query. That's it. So you can see that all the rows and columns coming from the same table, but 2 times, first for t1 alias and second for t2 alias. So we can compare the rows using the same table. So we have compare here values of id and id column using here in on. So it's like more like one-to-one relationship, no? Let's try on different database. Suppose let's try it on different data types. Suppose this is the also integer id and this is also integer id. So let's try id with character data type. So t2 dot not id, t2 dot p name, product name. Let's see, it giving an error because that integer equal to character, it is not a possible case. So it also telling that hint us that you might need to add explicit type. So let's cast. So if I cast this second, then it will not work because it has a character values. Okay, let's see, cast this p name as int. Is it possible? No, but let's try. Invalid input syntax for integer and integer computer. So let's run the query. See, invalid input syntax for integer computer. Okay, so it has a character value, so we cannot cast this. Okay, so let's cast these integer values with character. So it giving us no data, but we can use use this on multiple on different data type too, like cast t1, but it we need to cast as a text or varchar, so it also become a string data type. Let's see. Yeah, it will giving an no values because yeah, it not giving me an any value. So it has id and character. We have column values, we are not, but it works. We can use one different data type too. Only the we need to only the column values must be nice, so that the data will be retrieved. Okay, so let's try it on program table. Suppose we have a select all the table from program as t1, and inner join with again program as t2. Let's see. Yes, but we need to specify the common column using on or on. The common column is, suppose let's give t1 dot id and t2 dot id, same column, so it will return all the values on t1 dot id and t2 dot id. What is there here? Select star from program, inner join program on. That's it. Column id does not exist, so that this is the main error. So it fetches all the values. So let's try with, suppose fetch the program name where uh, match the where all the program length should be same. So here you can see that 400 and 400 and 400 and 400 like this. So match the column program length. So the program where has the same length, so we can use a self join and compare this column only. So that's why, let's see, program has same length 200 hours. So now it will fetch the data. Yes, the program has same length, it will fetch, but it gives an lots of column. 177 columns. So we want only t1 dot program name and t2 dot, sorry, not all, we want only program name. Suppose program name, let us fetch it, but it can't understand from which table we need a program name, so we need to specify the table alias. So program name from first, 171 record, 177 record, and program name from second. That's it. Okay, let's use, and pname not equal to pname means, here you can see that the php and php coming again. So the both the program name, so we can now filter we can do more filter. So program name must not be same. So how we can do this? T1's program name and T2's program name must not be same. This is also not sign, and this is also a not equal to sign. Okay, program name not equal to T1 and T2's. Let's see. Now it will fetch the data and match only and give only 110 records. But here we have used a and keyword here. Okay, and we can make order by also. Order by, suppose p name, it is a first column from the select, order by first p name, okay, and second also. So both p name are order by C with A to Z. That's it. Okay, let's see how we can query a hierarchical data using the using this self join. Okay, uh, get all the teachers and programs. Suppose we want teachers and program, so using a self join, how we can get this? No, not using the self join, so we need to join here multiple table. So let's join. So we want teacher name. Suppose I will give alias t as a teacher, t dot suppose t name, and suppose first table I will give a name t1, and t2 dot we want a program name also, from which table? Program is the first table. Then how we can give a program p name from first table? We must need to give a p name from first table, and let's get not teacher name, let's get teacher ID from program as p. No, we are aliasing it as a t1. Now inner join or join program. The program has both columns, so we are using here self join. T1 program first alias is T1 and program second alias is T2, and TID and PName both columns are available in this. So we want all teacher, so TID and program name and program, okay, first done, all done. So and now connect the table using on or using. So suppose T1 dot TID, let's match TID column, T2 dot TID. That's it, easy. Let's run the query. We can see that all works good, all works fine. Name and TID are coming there. So like we can arrange in order by 2, order by, suppose order by 2, teacher ID is 1 2 3 like that. So we can make 1 and 2 also, teacher name and order ID also 1 1 1. Oh, first A 6, now CC 7 7, E 3 3 3. If there is R4 7, then 3 4 7 like that. So we are ordering. That's all about self join. Okay, let's see what is the cross join. So cross join, the result, which is also known as Cartesian product line, the result lines of each row in the right to the present all possible combination of rows, means both the tables are combined using multiplication. So this is the Cartesian product of two tables. The record comings are huge records. If there are 3000, then the result will be in billion. So don't use star for that. If you have thousand and thousands of record, okay. If table 1 has n rows and table 2 has n m rows, if table 1 has m rows and table 2 has m rows, then the result will be n cross m rows. For example, 1000 into 1000, there will be a, suppose 1 million, that is 10 lakh. That's it. So there is no need to specify on clause that is common column. So and here also there is no specify the common clause. So syntax is select column list that we want from the table. Don't use here a star because it will make a overload on server. Table 1 cross join when needed, only then use cross join, otherwise not use. Table 2, that's it. If I run using some example, let's run it on our left product table. Select, suppose we have only two columns, select star from left product. Suppose alias t1 cross join right product t2. That's it. Let's discuss remaining in next tutorial. Thank you.